Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, we're going to install a shop light. Let's get started. Great way to add more lighting to a garage or your shop is with one of these shop lights. These come self-contained and they have a plug, so you don't have to do any wiring. You can just plug it in. And they come with some chains you can hang from the ceiling or you can hang them from the wall, whatever you decide to do. They're fairly lightweight, so you can screw them right into the ceiling. Maybe you've got exposed rafters that you can screw into drywall. If you're going to use that, you might want to use one of these hollow wall anchors to go into the drywall and then put the screws in there to hang the chains from to support the light fixture. Again, very lightweight. Now on the end of each end of the shop light are these little tabs here where the chains are going to hook up. You can either measure that with a tape measure, or I have a little trick of the trade here, stick a lipstick. Go ahead and take that lipstick and make a mark right on the tab on one side and then a tab on the other side. When you locate where you want to place the shop light, you can just climb up on your ladder, kind of place it there. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's a shop light. And put it up against the ceiling, and then the lipstick will leave two little red marks. That's where you're going to place the screws to hold the chain that will ultimately support the light fixture. Now this particular garage has wood paneling up on the ceiling, and so I can screw right into it just with a wood screw to hang the chain. After I do that, I hook the light fixture on, and then I can carefully run the extension from the light fixture to the plug, and after you plug it in, you pull the chain and let there be light. And that's it. If you need more information, just go to our website, acehardware.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, you want a shop light like this, go to your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.